Hi guys, welcome to HONOR Info channel. Today I have HONOR X7b and I want to show you how to clear up cache and data on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu. We must navigate to the settings option where we look for apps selection, and there we click on our apps. Now we have list of our application and we must search application which we want to clear, maybe clock, and their storage. Now we click there to clear data and confirm all by OK, and there to clear cache. But I don't have cache in clock application, but to do that we click clear cache, and that's all. See you soon, bye!